Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Many more years to you. Many more years to you. Many more years, many more years, many more years to you. Hip hip hip, hooray! Hip hip hip, hooray! Happy birthday, Daddy!
Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Daddy.
I love you!
Bravo.
Love you!
Oh na na na, yeah yeah yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Sometimes in April 28, 1999, my mama beat on me. Baby boy was growing in good health. Everything was okay, daddy was happy. Somewhere along the line, devil conjure me and he hit me with sickness. He hit me for leg. I couldn't walk for so many years. They gave up on me. Lord, I don't know how you did it, but right now I'm here. The evidence is clear that you did it for me. You did it for me, Lord. You did it for me, Lord. Oh, yeah. Thousand reasons, so million reasons, so billion reasons, so to the thank you, Daddy. A thousand reasons, so a million reasons, so a billion reasons, so to the thank you, Daddy. A thousand reasons, so a million reasons, so a billion reasons, so to the thank you, Daddy. Someone told me I've changed. Give up was what they said, but my help has been a hope-filled boy, from being tormented by demons to a slayer of them, from being tongue-tied in praise to being eloquent in praise, from being angry and lashed out to being a compassionate shelter, from being hateful and envious to being loving and inspired. Someone told me I have changed, and that person is my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ.